Are hidden Android settings secretly slowing down your phone, draining your battery, or even compromising your privacy? In this video, I'll reveal 3 crucial settings you need to turn off right now to keep your phone running smoothly and securely in 2025. Stay tuned until the end so you don't miss any important details. If you find this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. Let's dive in. 1. Stop installing unknown apps. First up, disable Install Unknown Apps to prevent unauthorized apps from sneaking onto your device. Here's how. 1. Open your settings. 2. Use the search bar to find Install Unknown Apps. 3. Tap on it and turn it off for all apps, except File Manager and Chrome if you use it for downloads. This simple change helps block potentially harmful third-party apps and enhances your privacy. Two, turn off usage and diagnostics. Next, let's stop your phone from sending unnecessary data to Google, which could slow down your device. To do this, 1. Open Settings. 2. Scroll down and tap Google. 3. Select Usage and Diagnostics and turn it off. Disabling this setting not only improves privacy, but also helps reduce background processes, making your phone run faster and smoother. Three, disable location services. Finally, location services can drain your battery in the background. Here's how to stop it. 1. Go to Settings. 2. Search for location services. 3. Turn it off, and make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning are disabled. This prevents your phone from constantly using location data, extending your battery life. If your region supports earthquake alerts, you can leave those on, but everything else should be disabled. Quick recap. Turn off Install Unknown Apps to block unauthorized applications. Disable Usage and Diagnostics to protect your data and boost speed. Switch off location services to save battery life. Did you find these tips useful? Smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.